Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to lock your Huntington debit card. Open the website, then log in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for Service Center. Click on Service Center. Then a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for Debit and ATM Cards. Under Debit and ATM Cards, you will see an option for Lock or Unlock a Card. Click on Lock or Unlock a Card. On this page, you will see a section for your cards. Below your debit card, you will see a Lock Card button. Click on the Lock Card button. A pop-up message will appear containing some reminders, and asking if you want to lock this card. To proceed, click on Yes, Lock Card. And now you will see a message saying that your card is locked. That's how you lock your Huntington debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.